This is Howie with F1. Today we would like to introduce you to a very useful app that is installed on your Mac. It's called Self-Service. You will find Self-Service in the dock. Just click the Self-Service icon to launch it. If Self-Service is not in your dock, you can also find it using Spotlight. Use the Command key and the spacebar to bring up a Spotlight prompt. Type Self-Service into Spotlight. Then wait a few seconds for the search results to appear. Self-Service should be the top option, highlighted automatically. You can now use the return key on your keyboard to finish launching Self-Service. Now, let's take a look at some of the basic features of Self-Service. When you first launch Self-Service, it will open into the Featured section. In this area, you will find most commonly installed apps. Installing one is as simple as clicking the Install button. Some apps will have a Reinstall button under them. This indicates that you have already installed the app. You can reinstall an app using Self-Service if needed. On the left sidebar, there are categories such as Apple, Mac App Store apps, Microsoft, web browsers, and others. You should take some time to explore all of these. To get help from F1, click Help and Resources. This is where you can use the option to send us a support request and click to share your screen with F1. Here's how to install an app using Self-Service. It's easy. We will install Firefox as an example. Find the app you want to install and simply click the Install or Reinstall button. Depending on the size of the app and the speed of your internet connection, the install process can take a few seconds to several minutes. If the installer places an app icon on your dock, you will see the screen flash and the dock relaunch with a new icon installed. Self-Service also includes a feature called Patch Management. Patch Management will keep several of your apps up to date, either automatically or by allowing you to install updates yourself. When new updates are available, the Self-Service icon will display a number on the top right side of the icon. To access the available updates, launch Self-Service and then click the Activity icon at the top of the Self-Service window. Now, you will see a list of the available updates. Take note of the deadline date. This is the date on which the updates will attempt to install automatically. If you are using one of the apps that is about to update, you will be alerted that the app needs to quit. Currently, Patch Management will update Microsoft Office, Adobe Flash, Adobe Reader, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Skype, including Skype for Business. More software titles will be added soon. To install an update, find the update that you want to install from the list and then click the Install button. Depending on the size of the app update and the speed of your internet connection, the install process can take a few seconds to several minutes. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you need help or have questions about using Self-Service. We're happy to help.